1979 Ford Bronco four-wheel drive wagon here at Unique, especially in classics. 6-inch lift, 35-inch tires. That's why it's got the stance it does. 351 V8 underneath the hood, paired up with an automatic transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Let's take a look at this front bright work. Chrome bumper. Some aftermarket driving lights or fog lights added there in the grille. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the sale price, and it may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Raven black in color. Does have the freewheeling graphics on it. Now take a look at the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. You'll be able to see that door tag. 1M is the paint code. So I believe it was the original black truck. And if you want to talk to a consultant about the extended warranty protection plan, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on polished wheels. Take a look down the passenger side of this vehicle. Burgundy vinyl and cloth interior as far as trim. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer, fired up, let's hear it run. First, remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Power rear glass does work. There's a switch on the dash kind of down to the left of the steering column. I'll show you that in a bit. That's where the switch is for the power glass on the rear. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through the still pictures. Take a look down the driver's side. Looking good with those freewheeling graphics on there. All right, take a look at this interior a little closer. Maroon door panels. There'll be your door tag. You'll be able to see that in the still pictures, as well as a shot of the VIN. Here is the switch for that rear glass window. And as you can see, interior does show some wear. Let's hop up in here and take a little closer look. Start it up, let's hear it run also. All right, 351, fired up. Again, paired up with automatic transmission. Transfer lever on the floor down here. AC does blow cold. Aftermarket stereo, let's check that out. The station that'll come in here. Not getting anything out of the stereo, just so you know. Power's up, no music. Top of the dash, do have some cracking. You'll be able to see the second row seats a lot better in the still pictures. So again, take your time looking through the still pictures. Also be a video here at the end of it driving, kind of get a bird's eye view of what it's like going down the road in this vehicle. Give me an idea how it sounds. And let me slip up to the front, pop this hood. I'm going to check out the engine bay and wrap this video up. Here's the underside of the hood. And let's take a look at the engine bay. 1979 Bronco, four-wheel drive wagon. These things are getting tougher and tougher to find. Here's your chance. 351 underneath the hood. Freewheeling graphics. 6-inch lift with those 35-inch tires. And remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. Maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1979 Ford Bronco. Very nice graphic design on this truck. Looks great with the black paint. This is an automatic on the column. This is a four-wheel drive, of course. Put some nice beefy tires on this truck. Be lots of fun. The steering wheel is clocked a little off-center, and that does not affect performance at all. Our volts are charging a little over half. Temperature is a little under half on the gauge. Oil pressure a little under half on the gauge as well. Fuel reading just about E. Windshield wipers are working. This truck has air conditioning blowing ice cold right now. Very nice on a 90+ degree day. There's a speaker mounted under the dash. However, I'm not able to get sound out of the radio. If I let go of the steering wheel, this truck stays where you put it, right in the middle of the lane. There is a little bit of vibration from these large tires, and you can hear the tread hitting the road, but that's to be expected with large lug tires like this. A little bit of wind noise at the quarter windows up here. Corners and drives as you would expect for the 79 Bronco.